VELO3D frees designers to build the impossible, unlocking a wealth of designs that can be produced with additive technology. But in high-stress environments, mere creation is not enough, as measurable and reliable part quality in serial production is vital for successful field deployment. Introducing Assure, VELO3D's quality assurance and control system for sapphire printers, a revolutionary quality control system for metal additive manufacturing. Assure not only provides insights into build progress in real time, but also provides unprecedented traceability by enabling engineers to track the sapphire printer calibration history, providing multi-sensor validation that critical parameters stay within control limits, tracking powder bed health with true Z-height quantitative metrology, detecting mechanical defects, sensing oxygen and humidity levels, and monitoring consumables. Assure monitors the build and flags process anomalies as soon as they occur. At the end of the build, Assure provides a digital record of all the data collected during part creation, stored securely and locally. This decreases part-to-part variation and provides comprehensive documentation to fast-track printed part validation.
VELO3D generates a wealth of data during a print, but with Assure we're not buried in it. The user interface features intuitive graphs and charts to help visualize the vast amounts of data collected during build. Assure helps us drive down production variation, improve yields, and better understand the factors that lead to consistent build-to-build and part-to-part additive manufacturing.
We do all of this because we know, at the end of the day, you need your part to work. Assure, the visibility you need to assure part quality for you and your customers.